exactly are you doing today?
Nothing really.
Nothing. The whole day and you're doing nothing. I don't understand. How could you be lazy and dirty at the same time? You stay in this house more than I do, and yet the whole house is looking dirty like a pigsty. And you are telling me you're doing nothing today.
I'm so confused. Don't you think it's too early for you to be raining insults on me? Huh? I've told you that I'm your woman, not your slave. If you want these things done, go and get a housekeeper. Why is that so hard for you to understand?
It is a vital role of a woman to make sure the house is kept clean and proper, while the basic role of the man is to make provision for the woman and for the house. Now, if your role is something that you cannot play or do, I would suggest that you get out of my life quietly.
Are you breaking up with me?
I said what I said.
Give me food here now. What's the happen?
I'll give you rice. Go on, give her rice. If you don't want, I'll give you.
See who call rice here? You say bread and beans. Give her rice. Tie scarf, tie ear drum.
What's he make up for you?
I beg, give me food.
What's he make up for you? What's he make up for you? Beans don't finish. Why you not say beans don't finish since?
You say
we don't access his money, beans don't finish. No.
Beans do waiting.
Beans don't finish, no beans.
You say beans do waiting.
Go manage and like
that. You say beans do waiting.
I bet no verse, beans don't finish.
Don't they tell me no verse? I don't do it for the past 5 minutes.
Make I give her this one, make
you go cook that beans now. Now see finishes cause all this rubbish. You go cook that beans now.
Wait, this bread, which one you go take? This one at 300, this one at 450.
Can I see what they cost for this shop, Abi? Now see finish, oh. I see your secret shop. I see your today. Because it be my village, that's why I eat here.
Ma, give you a bar.
Give me a bar for waiting. I come for a bar. Give me beans. Give me beans.
A bar 500.
Academy, you go get problem.
Not too
yeah, you go get problem.
If you know if you buy the bar 500, you talk now. Make I find another thing.
Can I give me beans? Beans and bread. You go cook that beans.
Go plug.
I don't go there for 5 minutes. You don't go give me food.
Go that side. Go bring to Derrick of this. You
better go that side with your native for son. We're native for son.
Make I put soup for you.
Stretch my day your head.
Make I put soup for you.
Give me beans.
You never ready. Okay, wait till you want it.
I wonder when you started watching this sport.
I enjoy it.
Somebody that hears it say this now would think you know how to cycle.
How do you know that I don't?
Really? I have no words.
Well, you know, enjoying it.
Peer pressure.
Oh. Hello? Yeah, are you here? Okay, I'm coming out. Oh, sorry, babe. Hold on a sec. And dinner is ready.
Dinner is ready? Where is it?
Here.
Pizza. Donuts.
Yeah, babe.
This is what you call dinner.
Yes, babe. I bought pizza and donuts for you. Yeah. What's wrong?
Are you okay? How is this food? It is the audacity for you to walk into the house and tell me food is ready and you bring in pizza and donuts. What is this?
Babe, why are you always complaining? Why can't you just allow us to have some moments of peace? Must we fight about everything? Okay, so I decided to buy us pizza and donuts today. You can't even commend my efforts. You're complaining about it again. What will I do to make you happy? What exactly?
You call this making me happy? This? You're bringing me what? Pizza and donuts for dinner. Last night it was what? Chicken and fries. A night before that it was burger. Do you know the long-term effects of eating junks? So when are you going to prepare me real food? When? You know what? You're very lucky. Normally I will kick this thing like saying Ronaldo kick free kick. Rubbish. So apparently they got into this argument where, they just went on and they couldn't find a
Babe.
common ground. Mr. Jude, I have to call you back. Yeah.
Babe, look, I can't do this anymore. I can't. I'm really sorry. I've tried. But we're doing pizza tonight.
You can't do what? So we're having pizza in place of real food.
Look, babe, I already told you that this cooking thing is not my thing. I can't be slaving away just because I want to please you. Alright? Cooking is not my thing. I'm a queen and I'm a diva and I should be treated as such. I'll be slaving away in the kitchen just because of you.
So what are we going to do about food?
I've told you countless times. And I'm telling you again, we need to get a maid. I can't be doing all the house chores and this cooking thing by myself.
I don't care what it is you say. Getting a maid is out of it, Whitney.
Why? Why is it out of it? Huh? Just because you had a stubborn maid does not mean that all of them are all stubborn.
Oh my God.
Look, just get one, okay? I know you can afford it. Please.
Why do you love to whine and nag about everything when this could be so simple? This has nothing to do with having a bad maid. This has nothing to do with having a stubborn maid. This has nothing to do with any of it. This has everything to do with what is right. What is right? Now listen to me. And listen very, very attentively. I am not getting a maid. You would learn how to cook. You would watch YouTube videos. You would buy manuals or whatever it is you want to do. How is it that you are even proud to open your mouth and say you don't know how to cook? What did you spend your childhood days doing? Or have you no home training?
William!
What?
Do not insult me.
This is nothing but a statement of fact. Don't you dare walk out on me. Come back here. Whitney!
Babe.
Yeah.
I need some money.
You need money again? I just gave you 500,000 naira 2 days ago.
Yes, babe, but it wasn't enough. The prices of things have really hiked up.
So, how much? Wait a minute. What did you use the money for? I don't pick money on trees. I work for it.
Babe, I don't like this thing now. I've already told you that the prices of things went up. If you want to give me the money, you give me. If you're not going to give me, you tell me you're not giving it to me.
Don't give me that tone. You know what? That's why. I'll send you the money in the morning.
Really?
Yeah.
Baby, thank you so much. Thank you. I love you.
Love you too. Whitney! Whitney! What are you cooking that is smelling? Why is there smoke all over the house and the kitchen?
Oh my God, oh my God.
Come back here.
I was trying to cook something to eat. Oh, now it's ruined. I have to order another one again.
So you were almost going to set my house ablaze because of common noodles that you were trying to cook. So if I hadn't come down, you would have been here while the house goes on fire and you would have been feeding your phone. Is that it?
Babe, why are you exaggerating? Huh?
Why am I exaggerating?
Yes, it's not like the house got burnt.
I'm exaggerating. So next time I should wait until the whole house goes ablaze. You know what? By the time I'm back to this house, I don't want to see you pack your things and leave my house. I don't even want to perceive your cologne in my house. Do you understand me?
You're joking, right, babe?
I'm not joking with you. My name is not Basket Mouth.
Babe! Babe!
You know, this is so funny.
What's funny? The fact that she can't cook, or the fact that she keeps extorting money from me?
You know why this is so funny? With all these red flags, you still love and adore her so much.
You're a fool.
I'm telling you. You know, I know you've not had good meal for a while. Enjoy, okay?
Well, this meal is very nice too. Where do you order it from?
Yeah, from a local booker around.
What? Ew. Ew. Local booker. I don't eat at local restaurants. It's not for people of my caliber.
But you're here devouring a meal made by a lesser caliber. You're by eating.
I would love to make an order because of course I can't go there.
I'll give you a number. Yeah.
Ooh, this is so good. Can I also take some to the house?
Is that a new song? Manage that one, Joe.
So we're friends. Oh.
Hi, baby.
What is this?
I made you dinner. I didn't like the way we left things off this morning and I wanted to apologize. So, this is my own way of saying I'm sorry.
You cooked?
Come on, sit down. can try it. Tell me, is it nice?
Did you use water from the sea to make this food? Or did you go to the beach, scoop some water that you used to prepare this meal? Because the amount of salt in it is capable of damaging someone's liver.
Oh, babe. But you complain about everything. Why can't you just compliment my efforts?
It would have been better if you didn't cook at all than to make this.
Babe, are you being serious right now? I said I'm sorry now.
You're sorry, but I still have to go to bed hungry.
Okay, I promise first thing tomorrow morning I'll wake up and then I'll order something for you to eat. But Dave, you said you were going to send me some money, but you didn't.
You order something, really? You know what? How much do you need? Okay. I remember. Send. Are you
Really?
happy now?
Thank you, babe.
Hello? Yes, I want to make an order. What? You're not taking orders today? I should come there. No, that's not possible. No, I can't possibly do that. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. All right.
My customer. Good morning. Come inside. Rihanna will attend to you.
I'm supposed to come inside and sit in this dirty place? So you mean human beings sit down and eat food here?
Sir, with respect, are you mad? You just came here and you are insulting this place, insulting my workers, insulting my booker.
Wait, are you mad to ask me if I am mad? Do you know who I am? Do you know that my caliber of people can't sit down in places like this and eat? I'm trying to tell you that I can't sit here and then you're asking me if with due respect I am mad.
Sir, you are mad.
I am mad.
For asking me if I'm mad because I asked you if you are mad. Do I know you before?
You're insulting
Do I know? You know I was asking you before if you are mad, but you are mad. You are pinching your nose.
Because your
I'm a
place is
clean
smelling.
person. I'm a clean person.
Well, I am not convinced.
Please get out of this place, foolish man. Let me rinse my
I'm telling you, your place is...
I say leave this place! Rihanna too!
This is not the end of this. I will see you.
Come pour sand, make you pursue this fly, come up for here.
Hello? Yeah. That girl at the booker just messed up my clothes. And I am so pissed off. I will make sure that I deal squarely with her. She has no idea what I'm capable of. You know, if not for you, all of this wouldn't have happened.
What did I do? I mean, you just barged in here. You started raining insults on me. What did I do?
As a matter of fact, you deserve more than a rain of insults. You deserve a tornado of insults. In fact, Hiroshima and Nagasaki cannot be compared to the amount of insults that you deserve. If only the lady I have at home will cook for me, I see no reason why I will go to that dirty place to go and look for what to eat.
Oh, babe, I didn't ask you to do that now. I didn't. Because I already ordered for chicken and fries for us this morning.
Already? You already ordered for what?
Yes, chicken and fries.
Chicken and fries. If you're comfortable with eating junk day in, day out, I'm not. You know what? You're a colossal mess. And as for that need to eat, I will deal with her.
Push to you. Small. Too small.
But Madam Buka now, wow. Who can be that guy? Why can't they misbehave like that? Why you almost go treat him for this area?
They mind the guy. They mind the guy. The guy won't carry out in frustration on me and my business. You not go call me again now. You will not try it. You will not try it.
It's not funny, because anything we do, you don't affect our problem, our stomach. What did they play? Because joy in all the street, men go gather beat. Guy, how far? You don't see what that guy do.
No go call me again. No go try am. No go try am.
But Madam Buka come first, come one line. This year, I don't dey watch you. Don't reduce this kind of food where they say give us.
Go market now. Things are costs. Go market. I mean go buy. Go market.
But you dey consider regular like us now. First 11. No,
Go.
sir, because of you make us know the cook for house again. Like me.
Sure, yeah, finish this one. Finish this one already.
Don't finish now. Nothing dey here now.
Count them like 10 they there. Finish them.
Madam Buka, you don't get joy. You give me extra. Let me get joy. Why you
See
say
what-
from where for no loss? Give me extra.
Like water no deal.
Give
You
me
don't carry
extra.
water for that side.
Babe, are you going out?
I want to take the clothes to that lady. She needs to dry clean it before I accept it back.
Oh, okay. Can I come with you? I mean, I have some dirty laundry that I haven't been able to do because I don't have the strength. Maybe she can wash it for me too.
Whitney.
Hmm?
Are you okay?
Mm-hmm.
You sure you're fine?
Yeah.
Because from this position that I'm standing, it seems like you're having a brain malfunction. Did I tell you I was going to see a laundryman?
But babe, you're going to see the crazy lady now. We can give her the clothes, let her wash. I'm sure she's not going to mind. Besides, I don't have strength to do it myself. I just gotta bring it. I'm leaving. Wait now.
Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Where's that dirty girl?
I don't know you.
You don't know who I'm talking about. Well, she has to wash my clothes, iron them, and make sure they are neat before I get it back.
She know they are around now.
Well, she better make sure it's done before I get it back.
Rihanna too. Here she go.
Yeah, welcome.
Here she go.
I don't know, she come out, she said she will go buy something. Take.
Big shop
Somebody
now.
bring this thing for you. Make you wash and wear. You iron and wear. You go come collect them.
Who?
I don't know your name, woman. Just bring her.
Now that monkey. He said make I wash am.
Every you wash and wear, be your iron.
Don't worry. Don't worry yourself. Thank you. Thank you. Say you look my shop, Ravi. Thank you. Which side you say that girl go safe? Say make I wash am. You go see something. Don't worry yourself. What's in the
Babe, I'm leaving.
Where are you going to dress like this?
To party with my friends.
With your legs exposed, your back exposed?
Oh, babe, don't even start. Don't even start. This is the latest fashion I'm wearing, so leave me alone. These
That's
are they're
fine.
wearing it now.
Alright, let me get dressed so we'll go together.
Why? Why would you do that? Babe, don't ruin my day now. This party is for me and my girls, please. Meanwhile, I need 100,000 naira so that I will not be stranded at the party.
What happened to the money I gave you last night?
This is what I hate about you. Why do you have to bring up past conversations, huh?
You know,
Are you going to give me the money or not?
go upstairs in the bedroom, the bedside drawer. Don't take anything more than 100,000. Okay?
Alright. I'll do it.
Not today, Satan. Not today. Hey, hey. I came to get my clothes.
Oh, the clothes you dropped off yesterday when I was not around.
Are you trying to be a joker? Or is there another cloth? I said I came to get my clothes.
Hold on.
Godforsaken slum.
I can see that you're blind. Go straight there. Take your left. You see a laundry shop. Here is for eating. It's a booker for eating, not a laundry shop.
And I can see that you are dumb. Too dumb that you don't know the things that you cannot afford. Do you know that this cloth can buy you and buy this godforsaken slum that you call a booker?
I'm doing you a favor. They're dirty already, so take them there, okay?
Look, do you know who I am? Do you know the consequences that come with messing with a person?
Excuse me, I'm trying to set up here.
I swear I will deal with you. You have not seen the end of this. Rubbish.
See your filthy clothes. Take it. Take your filthy clothes. I'm waiting for you.
Oh my God. What happened?
It was this morning. Just this morning.
Yeah.
I went there and I don't know what they used the water for. She just spilled the water on me. I was drenched in it. Can you imagine?
But that's bad. That's bad. But honestly, I don't know how to be troublesome. She's a very nice girl.
What?
Yeah.
Are we talking about the same person? Look, that girl is an epitome of trouble. 1, 2. She is unmannered, uncultured, and most of all, she is as stinky as a pig. But I've made my decision. I will deal with her so ruthlessly. She will regret why she came to this town in the first place. Trust me.
Are you sure you didn't do anything? Well, I think I'll have to see her because...
Where have you been?
I'm so sorry, babe. My battery went out and I didn't take my charger with me. So I went to my friend's place.
You went to your friend's place?
Yes.
Sit down. Now, give me the names and numbers of the friends you went out with last night.
Come on, babe. Don't you trust me? Why are you acting like this?
I said, give me the names and numbers of the friends you went out with.
Babe, I don't like the tone you're using to talk to me.
I said, give me a name.
Babe, you're hurting me. Let go of me, you're hurting me.
A name, Whitney.
Anna, I mean, she just got in the country 2 weeks ago. You don't know her.
I'm Mr. Kene. Yes, I'm Mr. Kene.
Okay, this from Ministry of Health.
Ministry of Health.
Yes.
What the Ministry of Health know? Sir, hello, sir. Hello. What the Ministry of Health know? What is this now? You want to lock my shop? Why? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. What is the meaning of you want to lock my shop? Why? Sir. Hey, this man wants to try me today. Hey, what is the meaning of this? I will throw it away. Come and lock my shop. Let me see you. Come and lock my shop. Come and lock.
So, I have reported whatever operation you have going on here, calling it a booker. I just reported it to the government agencies, the ones responsible for food and drugs, and I told them that this your place is hygienically harmful to the people of Nigeria. Because I don't see
You
how
are just speaking English. With all due respect, I respect you, sir. You are mad. In the name of the Lord, you are not my God. You cannot do anything. This is my business, my hard work, my sweat. You see this bread? I feed people with it. You are not going to take their bread.
Oh, I see you're one of those people who love to pray to God about anything.
I see that.
But your God cannot save you because the Lord is the Lord. And expect the Lord to come and shut this place down. I hope your God is here standing with angels to save you. Great.
If you are hungry, come, let me give you one bread. You cannot do anything. 1,000 of you, 1 billion of me. I will kill 1,000 of you. What's what I want? Rihanna too.
From Ajakwe police station. You have to follow us to the station.
Sorry, it's not me. My name is Ekene. I said.
Are you not Ekene?
Yes, I
You
said.
are the owner of this shop.
Yes.
You are following us to the station.
Please.
We know you now. Do you want us to refund you?
Oga, wait. Oga, wait. Rihanna too. Wait. Oga, wait. Oga, wait. You're not going to drag me now.
Go to that place.
Oga, please. You will not drag me. I'm a woman.
Like this.
I know my rights. What did I do? Can I know my offense? Wait. Can I know my... What is my crime? Wait now. Wait. I didn't hear.
I will punch you.
Help me, oh, help me, people, help me, oh, help me, people, auntie, help me, oh, now. Can I know my offense, please? Help me, please.
Open that door.
Please, let me know my crime. Can I know my offense? Can I know my crime, please? Neighbors, help me. Rihanna too. Please, the crime, help me, please. Neighbors, please help me. Rihanna too. Can I know my offense? Rihanna, remove the beans from the fire. Hey, God, I beg, what did I do? What is my crime? Rihanna too, I beg. It's you.
I thought you were strong. I thought you had a strong backbone. What was it you said again? If 1,000 of you come, I will kill all of you. But now look at you. Down on the ground where you belong.
What did I do? Really? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do?
You insulted me. You threw my shirt on the ground. You nearly hit my foot with a rock. That's what you did.
That's why you kidnapped me.
Kidnap? Oh, you call this a kidnap?
You harassed me, my sheep.
Trust me.
You sent men. Men.
If I wanted to kidnap you, you wouldn't be here right now. This is just a warning. It is a mere demonstration to show you that I can do and undo. Don't mess with me ever again.
What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I was on my own.
Yeah, so I tried to place an order from the Bukage this morning. Her number was connecting, only for me to get to her shop. It was locked. And side rumor said some people came and took her away for... And I don't know why she has done for someone to arrest her. The police, precisely.
Whatever it is, I'm sure she deserves to be locked up. I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one she's offended, because she pretty much seems like she's a very troublesome one, and, you know, she deserves to be locked up, and to be locked up for a very, very long time. Trust me. And this is one of those situations she will be in, and she would actually know that all men are not the same.
William, listen, we're all the same. No. We are all the same.
We're not. All fingers are not equal. All men are not the same. That's the reason why we have a food chain. Some are on top of the food chain, and while others are at the bottom of the food chain. Not the same.
William, listen. We all bleed, right? When punctured, right? My guy, I hope you don't have a hand in her disappearance. Because I know you don't like her.
I am disappointed in these assumptions of yours. Why would I waste my time on such a low life? Why would I be so interested in a girl who stinks like a pig and lives in a pigsty? No, you disappoint me.
That's what I'm saying. You don't like her.
The only thing I said is whatever has come to her, she deserves it.
It is obvious you don't like her, so why won't I suspect you?
This is good wine, by the way. Where did you get it from? Nice. Love it. You know, I actually got like 2 bottles yesterday.
I know. So that bastard get mind kidnap you. Just like that. wetin dey play now? So that man get mind. Kidnap our Ekene for the adubo.
No worry. Don't worry yourself. He thinks he has money. He has money. He will now look at the rest of us like small children. What did they find for there? Come on for there. Go there, they look disposable, all of us like small children. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just stand for me one side. Stand for me.
Ekene leave matter.
I will tell you what to do. Just stand for me one side.
Ekene leave that cement mount for you. Now you dey help the less privileged now.
Now be looking at us like small
Hey, anything we want to do, just I be more they move now.
No, now I will tell you.
Hey, body dey hot. And the para.
Thinks he has money. Carrying that show.
What did they play? But that mission, go give me like 16 plate of rice. So. How you say?
If you won't help me, you go talk. Now why people know they help you this? If you don't want help me, you go talk say no. Which one be say make you help me? They talk say make I give you 16 plates. If a cuckoo carry the cooler, they go your house now.
Make I hold something. What anything happen to me? There, what go happen?
Carry my cooler. They go your house.
Your matter, the stinginess where you get, and I like this one, be like
every day you come here, you sit down, you just, you know, say let me help you. This drum now they empty. You don't want fill am with water.
Making I not show concern when make me come the para. Say why then go kidnap you? Not be concern, not be love. Make I fetch water, be slave. I know they pay for food. You don't ever want they give me food, man. No.
Yeah, hello? I understand. But the bottom line is that they have 20 of them, and I wanted 25 pieces, so what are we going to do about it? Okay, yes, I may have to, you know, reschedule and then call you back. What? What the hell? What? Who did this? They don't have bloody security? Oh, man. Hello? Yeah, I'm at this supermarket down the road. Could you come help me fix my tires and then bring the car to the house? Okay, I'll stop by your shop and then drop the keys.
Hello, Majid. Hello? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for a job well done. Thank you. Yes, you did well. Thank you. The beginning. It starts.
Whitney! Whitney!
Oh, babe. You're back?
Whitney. What are these things still doing here?
Sorry, baby, I forgot to clean it.
Don't
I'll
be
clean it later.
sorry. Don't be sorry, be mindful. You had this since last night. What does it take you to just pack it up and clean it?
Babe, why must you always complain? Why must you always complain? I just said I was going to clean it.
How else am I supposed to tackle this problem? I have scolded you, I have shouted, I have yelled. What else do you want me to do? Do you want me to start fasting and praying?
But babe, I told you to get a maid. I told you to get a maid so that she can be cleaning up these things. You refused. Assuming there was one now, she would have cleaned up this shit.
You're still leaving without packing it.
What is going on? Sir? What is this?
Are you blind?
It's you. Do you want to fall me inside the gutter?
Oh, you have bitten the tail of the tiger. You will beg.
Sir, please stop threatening me or else I have to report you to the police.
What to report you to the police? Go ahead.
You kidnapped me and now you're threatening me. What is this?
You know what baffles me? It's the way you keep talking down on this girl. Yeah. Eating her food in my place. Her food is good. Yeah. But she needs to be humble. She has too much pride.
Listen, all I see there is self-respect.
Yeah. Well, then she should be ashamed of herself. Wait. Do you want her to steal or go into prostitution? That girl is hustling for herself. It's a good thing she's not into prostitution. It's even good that she doesn't steal. But you know what's even better? That she should have been humble. Because now she has insulted me too much for me to just let it go. I would not let it go.
Listen, you have to let it go because you're here eating our food. Don't let it go.
You're welcome.
Wait, no,
Mr. Man. No verse, abeg. Just hold this rice, I go give you stew. Hold on. Why are you videoing my shop? Why are you making a video of my shop? What is this?
my shop, you mean?
Your shop?
Yes. I'm about to buy this property. It's about to be my land. And I will demolish this God-forsaken thing you've set up and set up a proper place that people can come and eat.
It's not possible.
And be healthy.
I've been paying the lease for this place for over a year. This place belongs to me. This is my place. You cannot take it.
That's your business.
It's not possible.
That is your business.
I don't want any trouble, please. I don't want any trouble. I don't want any problem.
Whether you want problems or not, that's your business. This is about to be my place, and I will do whatever I wish to do with it.
What kind of problem is this?
Oh, you want to talk? Talk to this.
What kind of material is your trouble?
Keep talking. Go ahead, talk. Do you have any reply? No.
No food that they say, no be problem that they say.
Keep talking. Rubbish.
Hello, Mr. Chairman. Good evening. I greet you, sir. I greet you, sir. One madman came here, said he wants to break all this place and take over this land. Please, sir. You know that I took this land from you. I leased the land from you. I've been paying my lease to you. I register with you. All this kpako that I put here, I'm the one that build all this kpako, buy all this tarpaulin, everything, sir. And you know that things are cost in the market. All my customers are here, sir. I don't know the... Hello, sir. Which kind? You're still. Which kind? Which?
Check your WhatsApp. I already sent you videos. Look, I don't care how much it costs. I'm buying that place. So I want every necessary document, every paper I need to sign. I need it prepared. Thank you. All right then. I'll be expecting your feedback. Good.
I want to carry this basket. I'll go there. Take it. Hello? Sir.
Get out of my building.
Meaning what?
Meaning what? I just acquired this property from the government. And if you do not want to move, I will move you with brutal force.
Sir.
What?
Sir, honestly, when I spoke to you, I was harsh. I know, I was harsh. I did not supposed to be harsh. I'm sorry. I did not mean to insult you, sir. I'm very sorry, sir.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
What are you sorry for? Are you sorry for insulting me? Are you sorry for pouring dirty water on me?
My mouth was just talking.
Your mouth was just talking. Well, you are about to pay for the consequences of your mouth talking.
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Back into my premises. I'm waiting.
Sir, please. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I thought you are a passerby. I did not know that you are superior. That will go and bring out paper to come and
all right,
finish
first
me.
of all, I will give you 3 conditions. Number 1, you must accept that you are a pig.
I'm a piglet.
Number 2, you would wash that my clothes, iron it and return it to me.
Okay, sir.
And also, since this is my property, you will pay me rent monthly if you want to continue to sell here. Do you understand?
Sir.
Do you want it or not?
Check out now.
Then vacate my
I will. I'm sorry. I will. This is my only business. This is where I eat. This is my only livelihood.
The next time act like it. Dirty girl. You will hear from me and my lawyer soon.
Man no. Man no fit be God though. Check am now. Man no fit be God though. Small insult. Are you mad? Is it an insult? Are you mad? Get out. Is it an insult? You just carry the thing personal. Go photocopy, print paper, everything. Rihanna, to help me check that beans. Let me check that beans. Let me check that beans.
It's okay. Stop crying. See, don't worry. I know all the suffering will be over very soon. And God will send a wealthy man your way. God will bless you with a very good man that will take very good care of you.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay. I've heard.
You have heard now, you're still crying.
I'm not crying. It's the water that is coming. I've heard.
And the water should stop now.
I've heard you. I've heard. It's okay.
I don't like seeing you like this. You know that. Eh? Everything will be fine, yeah?
Stop. I've heard. Okay. Oh.
This one that you're in a celebratory mood. What happened? Did you win the lottery?
I'm celebrating victory.
Nice. Okay, let me go and get my gas and join you. Babe, I have a favor to ask.
What favor is it? If it is money, please don't ask because I don't have money. I just bought a landed property.
It was just a small amount.
God, you're not the one I just told that I don't have money.
Babe, I promise you, if it wasn't urgent, I wouldn't have asked.
How much is this money you want?
It's just 500k.
What? I just told you right now that I don't have money and you are asking me for 500.
Babe, it's really urgent. Babe, are you angry?
No, I'm very happy.
It's just a small amount now. Why are you not getting upset? It's not like you don't have the money to give me. Spaghetti.
Are you blind?
Sir, I was here first. She's attending to me.
Well, I don't care. I'm trying to pay for my stuff.
Sir.
Oh, what? Do you want to run your mouth? Tell this much. Anyway, when are you paying your rent? Scratch that, my lawyers will contact you and handle it. When am I getting my clothes back? Tomorrow. Good. Step back. Look okay.
Talk to me now.
About what?
About the money I asked for.
I walked into this house from the supermarket. No good afternoon, no good day, no nothing. Is this the way you welcome me now, asking me for money?
Okay, sorry, babe. Welcome. So about the money.
About the money, I don't have it.
Babe, why are you being stingy now? Why are you being stingy? This is you actually being selfish. I know you have that money and you don't want to give it to me. It's just 500,000 naira now.
It's just 500,000 naira. If it's so much of a chicken feed, just 500,000, why don't you have it? Why are you asking me for it? Why?
Baby, please. I need that money. That money is very important. I need to use it to do some stuff.
Come and
Please.
squeeze it out of my throat.
I need that money. I need that money to do some stuff. Baby.
Take this one to the kitchen.
Babe. You're your slave. Look, babe, I've tried everything to persuade this guy to give me this money, but he has refused. Look, at this point, I can't even stand him anymore. Oh, baby, I cannot wait to travel out of the country with you. Yeah, but the money that I've been sending is enough to have processed the visas for the both of us now. What do you now need 3 million naira for? Okay, fine. I'll try and sweet talk him in the morning. Alright, babe. Love you more. Good night.
So that's it. I have been joint account for you and another man? Is that what you're telling me?
No, babe.
Give me your phone. Get out of my house. I said get out of my house. I will kick you and roll you like a ball if I have to. I said get out of my house.
Where would I go to? It's late.
I don't care. Motor park, under the bridge, I don't care. My friend, move.
Okay, at least let me have my phone, please.
Your phone? You're lucky you still have pajamas on, your wig on your hair, and even slippers on your feet. I don't care where you go. You can sleep on the bridge, under the bridge, on top of the bridge. You can never sleep in a motor park. I don't care. I don't want to see your feet in my house, or else I will arrest you, criminal. Now get out of my house.
Please, I beg you.
Do you want to move or you want me to move you?
Please.
No.
Can we not just
Do you want to move or you want me to move you? Which one?
Please.
Get out of my house. Look, if I see you in my house again, I would arrest you like a common criminal. Come on, move. And you better not come back. You better not come back. You hear me?
Please.
Criminal.
Babe. Babe. Please, now it's too late. Babe.
Damn. No wonder she's so disrespectful and careless. Don't be surprised she could be a good wife to her boyfriend. While she's scattering your house and lavishing your money. Bro, I really feel pity for you. Just take heart. Alright?
I hope they die in their sleep. I hope demons from the pit of hell eat their hearts out. I was feeding her and her boyfriend. And they were even planning to elope out of the country. What? Matter of fact, I felt stupid because the signs were there and I just kept ignoring it.
Signs were terrible. How fool. You couldn't notice it because you keep hating on an innocent, hard-working girl. Hard-working girl who only challenged you for insulting a source of livelihood. Yeah, but now you're seeing the difference. Some girls are out there extorting money from men, while some are working very hard to put food on their table. Bro, it is very wrong. Thank God you didn't take food from my mouth because you almost ruined her life. Yes.
Should make her add more rice.
So that man did not come back for his clothes again?
It's a concern. Don't mind him. Oh. Whenever he's ready, he'll come and collect his clothes. Me? I don't want problem. And who release their dog? May they not come bite us for here. Oh. Anything will concern problem. I don't want they do am. I'm too young to be depressed, please.
Like you like looking now, so you can shine.
Why I no go shine?
Try to shine.
I no go shine. I go shine why?
Voila.
As in
Just
problem.
Depression. What for it?
If you see problem, you run. Maybe now you want release dog, now me come bite us. No.
I haven't forgotten about my clothes. Can I get it?
Is everything alright?
You couldn't destroy me, so you sent your counterparts. It's fine, it's a win-win. Just give me my clothes so I can go.
What are you talking about?
Can I just have my clothes?
Williams. What? I've been calling you, you've not been picking my calls. Wait. Bro, you can't be doing this to yourself now. I mean, get a hold of yourself. You won't kill yourself. Just need to calm down. I guess you've not eaten. Okay, just hold on. Let me hurry up and get you something, alright? Calm down now. So, please, I'll be needing home delivery from you today. Whatever it is, I'll pay.
So I'm already doing the service for you. I'm already delivering the food for you.
No, not for me.
You want another plate?
No, it's for my friend actually. He needs it. I believe you've met him before.
Give me a few minutes. What do you want?
Just
a few minutes.
Okay.
Rihanna too. Off the fire. Come in, a few minutes.
Okay. Bro, Alpha. I brought food for you because you need to eat something. Okay? You like it. Your favorite, jollof rice. The best of the best. Yeah.
You didn't have to bring her, no.
I brought her so that you can deliver your food daily. Yeah. So you need to eat something, okay?
Okay.
Please, go on the shadow. That's the kitchen. Alright? Fana, my guy.
You want some?
Want some how? You have to take things easy, oh.
Yeah, sure.
What happened to him?
Well, let's just say he got into a relationship with the devil. You can see the results yourself.
A woman did this. I didn't know he could love and respect a woman.
You don't know my friend, alright? He can be hot-headed, but he has a loving heart. Yeah. Always try to deliver this meal on time, okay?
Okay. Should I join you, or should I take Okada?
No, join me. I'll drop you down.
Should I sit at the back or at the front?
I'll sit. Yeah.
You say one Gary, Abby? One ever. We are not where the black bath. Come they wash another black bath for me for there. No verse, Abby. No verse. They call me. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. I'm so sorry. Please, sorry for the delay. Give me like... I will deliver the food now. Oh, sir, give me 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I will deliver the food now. Please, sir. I'm so sorry, sir. Yes, sir. Rihanna too, come now, make we deliver this man food. Now time don't they go. What did they do you? I tell you, make put fire for you. Why you no put fire since? Hello. Who is home? Hello. Is anyone home? It's dirty. Is anyone home? Your house is dirty. Is anyone home? Why is your house dirty? It's meant to be clean. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I saw that your house was dirty. I thought I'd clean up. I brought your food. Sorry.
Is that what you were doing?
Yes, I was just cleaning. I thought I should clean.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
Right, the food. I'll take it to the kitchen.
Oh yeah, the kitchen is that way.
Okay, sir.
There's
Please,
a
where's...
bin there as well.
Yeah, okay, you're always been. Okay, sir. So should I make it hot as usual or mid-warm?
Hot.
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm leaving. I'm done cleaning.
Oh, how much is your fee?
Mr. Dave is paying for the food and the delivery.
Oh. No, I was talking about the fee for the housekeeping.
No, it's fine. I just cleaned out of the brightness of my heart.
Wait, I don't understand. You cleaned out of the brightness of your heart?
Nothing. I'm a clean person. So I'm not as dirty. Bye-bye, sir. Bye.
Out of the brightness of your heart. Is that your currency? You make the food.
Yes. Yes. And I put some in the refrigerator so you can defrost it whenever you're ready.
Oh. Wow. You sure I don't have to pay for that one as well?
It's everything be about money.
I'm sorry. Let me just, go back to.
I'm leaving, sir. I'm done. Bye-bye, sir.
Come and drop me. What's it?
Sir, I'm full.
Oh, it's come and drop me.
No, it's fine. I'm full. My belly is full.
Well, I believe there's still space in that tummy of yours for some food. Come and eat.
Sir, it's okay.
Sit. Come on.
Sir.
Go ahead. We'll take turns.
With the same spoon.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, yo. I'm done. I finished cleaning. I dished out your portion in the microwave.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm ready to leave now. Bye, sir.
You're leaving?
Yes, sir.
Do you have to leave?
Yes, Rihanna too went to the market. There's nobody at the shop.
I don't want you to leave.
Sir. Sir.
Ekene, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about everything. I'm sorry about how bad I have treated you. I'm sorry that I let my pride get into the way. Look, I need you.
You need me.
I want you.
Want me.
I have realized that you fill a space in my life that no one else can.
Sir, I just cook, sir.
More than that, you've made me believe in love again.
I just bring food, sir. Just food.
I'm in love with you.
Sir,
What? If you don't want me, it's fine. You can.
Maybe I like you small.
That's it.
Maybe tiny.
Enough to do this.
Sir, I have chewing-gum in my mouth.
I don't mind.
Like you small.
That's it.
Maybe tiny.
Enough to do this.
Sir, I have chewing-gum in my mouth.
I don't mind.